Good morning, everyone. Well, it may not be morning where you are. I thought I'd do a very, very quick video on kombu. I made a lot of soup yesterday, and my soup was literally made with this. And if you're wondering about kombu, and I know I do bang on a lot about kombu, I do realize that, so I thought I would do another quick little video, so just to give you guys a bit of an understanding, or a little bit of knowledge, fill up that knowledge bank on what kombu is. Because like I was saying, I do use a lot of kombu, and kombu is literally the Japanese word for seaweed. So when I'm talking about seaweed, I'm talking about that there. This is dried seaweed, or kelp, aka kombu. Hi Renee, where can we get some of this in the southern? Are you in the Sutherland Shire? So am I, my darling. So this is for Renee. Renee, if you want to buy yourself some kombu, I buy all my kombu in packets like this from Hurstville. So I go up to Hurstville, and if you go to Hurstville Central, sorry for people who don't live in Sydney, but this is especially for the lovely Renee. If you go to Hurstville Central, which is above, the same place where the train station is, you can park up the top, and then you can catch the escalators down. Go on to Tongli. Tongli is an Asian supermarket very close to the fish market in Hurstville, and you can buy your kombu there. Go to the Japanese section, which is literally straight ahead of you when you walk in. For those of you who are struggling, Hurstville Station, yeah, it's called Hurstville Central. So you've got Hurstville train station, Renee, and that is where you've got some stores. I think there's a Coles there, there's a fruit shop there, which by the way is a really cheap fruit shop, fish shop. The chicken place at Hurstville Central is also really good as well. And go to Tongli, Tongli is the name of the store, and you can buy your kombu there. Now you can also go down the escalators in Hurstville, and right in front of you as you walk out of the escalators in Hurstville Central, you will see another Asian supermarket. This is where I buy mine from. I don't even know the name of it. It's $1.99 a packet. So, I digress. I digress. Kombu, right. Hi Rhonda. Yes, I know, right? Kombu's it's a bit like, what the heck is it? So, kombu isn't just kombu. Oh, hang on, what's trying to tell me to do something? Kombu is another name for seaweed or kelp. It's just the Japanese name, so don't think it's something exotic. It is literally just seaweed, and this is the dried version. So, when it comes to kombu or kelp or seaweed or whatever you want to call it, like literally, guys, what you need to just to do, because you don't eat it like this, because I know this looks like rubbish, right? Why would you you're like, I ain't eating that, it looks like a piece of crappy leather. It does, it's terrible. But the beauty of kombu is because it's a seaweed, it is very high in iodine, and guess what iodine does for our diets? Iodine, I know you can't see my face. The reason you can't see my face, Trisha, is because I haven't done my makeup today. How bad is that? I know, right? It's bad. Hi, Kathy. How are you? And I want you to focus on the kombu, which is here. So, yes. So, kombu, by the way, is, like saying seaweed. It's very high in iodine, which means it helps with anyone who's got thyroid issues. It helps. Now, what we want to do with the kombu is we actually want to extract all the flavors from it, and all the nutrients, and all the minerals, and all that iodine. We want to extract it. And the way to do that is to make a kombu broth. So, taking a piece of kombu, about an A4 size piece, I'm going to stick it here into my pot. I'm then going to add 4 to 5 liters of water, and I'm slowly going to simmer that kombu. And in simmering that kombu, what then happens is that we extract all the flavors, we extract all the minerals, we extract all the nutrients, we extract all that wonderful iodine, which is going to help with thyroid. And thyroid is what helps our metabolism. So if you've got a sluggish metabolism, you may have a thyroid issue. This is going to help. This is going to help with weight loss. So that then goes into our pot. We put 4 to 5 liters of water in here, and then we put it onto the cooktop or the stove. And you just want to simmer it. It does not need to boil. It just needs to simmer. And you simmer it for 4 to 5 hours, and then what you are left with is kombu water. And kombu water is amazing, because what kombu water is, it is the base to all your soups. It is the base to all your gravies. It is the base to all anything that you would normally use water, you use kombu. So I am freezing today here in Sydney. I am making some more soup. I ate soup all day yesterday, my kombu chicken and cabbage soup. Now I'm going to add into this video, I'm going to add a link for the actual recipe for this that you can request. I will also add a link for my cabbage and chicken soup, which I had yesterday, which was amazing, using my kombu water. Please, guys, go and look for this. This is incredible. This, I reckon, has helped me to lose the weight that I've lost. So in 4.5 months, I lost 25 kilos. And I reckon this is me surmising and going through my list of what I've done right, what I've done not so good. I use kombu water all the time to make my soups, to put into my curries, to put into my tagines, whatever it was. And I guarantee you that's what works. So look for, you don't have to look for this brand. If you're struggling to find it in your Asian supermarket, go online. Go online and look for kombu online, and you will find it there. And it is wonderful. It can be delivered to your house. So thank you guys for watching. I hope that helps. Hope that was assisting you. I will post those links for you right now. Take care. Mwah! Love you lots.